Okay everyone, so welcome back. In this video I continue our project in Shop Online website that we continue from the last video. Last video we have created DB contact class. We have created the entity class that represent for model class that mapping to database. We create Shop Online DB contact for represent DB contact class, and we run a migration for generate schema of database, and we use update database to seed to apply and generate table to database already. Okay, now in this video we continue to create repository. We create a repository, product repository and shopping cart repository. So now let's go to shop online.api project. Right click and add new folder. We name the folder contract. And then this folder is repository. And inside repository we create contract folders that storing interface ICE product repository that contain prototypes of function or methods for product repository and shopping cart repository. Inside contract I create product repository that contain functionalities for create prototype, that get item, get category. Okay, this, and another one is a shopping cart repository. So now let's go to create repository interface. Right click on contract, add class, and we choose interface and name this interface product repository. Okay, this interface is contain method that as a prototype, for getting item, that we have the type products, get category, the class products category as a type. So now let's start to create like this. Task is enumerable. Products get items. And we create another is enumerable product categories, products get item also. Task get item by IDs, products. ICE enumerable products category get product category. Product class and product categories. Product category, product category. Another one is products get item by category IDs with IDs as integer as a parameters of this method. Task product category get item by categories. Get item by categories and ID. Okay, now let's right click on contract and create another interface. Another interface is iShopping carts that contain measured add item, update quantity, delete item, get item also. We create this interface name iShopping cart repository. Shopping cart products. Shopping cart repository. And you add these method like get item, add item, update quantities, and this we implement this method with iShopping carts, enumerables, cart item, adds item, and last time we use cart item DTO. We not yet to create DTO, so we would like to create another project for share library that contain a DTO class. So we need to create another project. Right click on solution and add another project. The project it should be we create the library. We choose this library, choose this class library. Click next, and we put the name shop online dots models, because we contain this project is a content on the class, on the DTO class for sharing as a library. Click create. Okay, let's click delete the simple class. And inside here you create you add DTO. You need to add DTO. And inside DTO you need to create all these card item DTO class, card item update quantity DTO class, card item to add DTO, product category DTO, product DTO. So now let's right click and create a class called product DTO. Make it with public, and you should write this property of DTO class. Okay, right click and create another class. Is a product category DTO. The category DTO. And you make it with public access modifier. You need to create these three property. Continue, we create other three DTO class like card item DTO. Right click here, add class, card item DTO. Card item DTO. Click add. Make it with public. And you should create with this property in card item DTO class. Another is add the class should be create continue is card item to add DTO. So right click and create another class. Card item to add DTO. So copy this property. Okay, the last one is update quantity update DTO class. Name this class cards item, class item, qt y update DTO. Make change to public access require. And property, you should create two property, card item ID and quantities. Save. Okay, it's contain this DTO class that we will share libraries, share this model class to another project for using another project. So after you create solve online.models class library already that contain this DTO class or this file DTO class for sharing to use in another project like solve online.api. So now the next step, go to solve online.apis project and you go to repository and to work continue with contract with I repository that we will create a prototype method in interface of these two interfaces. Last time you create get item in iProduct repository that contain this prototype method. Get item, get product category, get product category by ID, item by category. So to continue, you create another repository. Shopping cart repository. In order to use CL library, you need to add a reference. In order to call, in order to add a package to dependency, you need to add dependency that access to DTO class in solveonline.model class. So right click on dependency, add project reference, and you click solveonline.model class in dependencies of solveonline APIs. Click OK. After that, you can call all DTO where you can navigate to navigate to solveonline.api and repository again to do work with this contract and iShopping cart repository. We will use models solveonline.model project as a namespace or library, and we can call this to use card item DTO that store in solveonline model.dto. Add item, and then you can say card item, card item, add DTO, card item to add DTO. Another is update quantity, task, card item as a type, update QTY, and use your parameter should be integer as an ID, card item, update DTO class as a parameter, and update DTO. another measured prototype. We create another one with type card item class and with the name delete item. We can use with task keyword card item, and it should be named delete item integers, ID as an integer. Another is a get item in IDs as integer parameter as a parameter. And the last one of these prototypes measured with task enumerable and card item get item and user IDs as an integer. Okay, everyone, in DTO you create interface that store two interface product and product repository for create measured prototypes, shopping cart repository and product repository. That calling something that we say that we use share library from shop online model class that we create DTO class for sharing as a library. Thank you everyone for watching, and continue we will implement the repository, then we will write the controller for implement this functionality to shopping cart repository. Okay, see you in the video.